Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So it's summer now and time to make pickles. We all love pickles with our meals, isn't it? Even the breakfast parathas taste so good with a little bit of pickle on the side, whether it's sweet pickle or spicy pickle. There are many varieties we can make. Today's recipe is a very simple one. I'm going to show you how to make Hing Wala Aam ka Achar, the mango pickle with Asafoetida. It's really very flavorful and very few spices are required which are already available in our kitchen. So let's go and make Hing Wala Aam ka Achar. I've taken one raw mango, washed it nicely, wiped with a cloth and cut it into small pieces. Adding about 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix it nicely. Now we are going to leave this out in the sun for a day. After one day you will see the color has changed and there's so much of water come out of it because of the addition of salt. So we are not going to discard this water, let it remain there as it will soak up all the spices. Now use mustard oil preferably as needed for about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric, quarter teaspoon of red chillies, quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida or Heeng, 1 teaspoon of Jaggery powder and salt as needed. We are going to heat the mustard oil very nicely because mustard oil has to be heated to smoking point, cooled and then added to the pickles. This oil is better in pickles. If you don't have mustard oil, you can use any other oil also. Heat it until you see the bubbles. Then switch off the gas and let it cool. Once it's cooled a bit, we can add the Asafoetida into it. This gives a nice flavor, or you can even directly add the Asafoetida. Now in the mango pieces, add the chilli powder, Jaggery powder, turmeric powder, little bit of salt, mix together. As the mango already contains salt, I have added very little, about half teaspoon. Now pour the Hing infused oil. I am pouring 3/4 of the quantity and leaving the rest because after the pickle matures, the oil, everything will be soaked by the mango pieces. You can add it later. So now all the ingredients are mixed very well. We'll fill it into the nice clean dry jar. Always use a wooden or a plastic spoon for pickles, never use a metal spoon. Check the salt again and add if it is required. Even the chilli, all the spice level should be adjusted according to your liking. You can add more or less. Now take a clean and sterilized dry jar. Transfer the contents into it. In the mango season, I like making small quantities and enjoy the pickle fresh. When the mango season is going to be over, I make it in little bulk, bigger jar and then keep it for the rest of the year. Enjoy it with your parathas and meals. So now we are going to place this jar in the sun for a few days. After the pickle is mature, you see the oil has been soaked up very nicely. You can enjoy this pickle.